What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tubbs, and we're back. Now, sadly, what happened yesterday was very tragic, but we'll talk about that later. I got a new car, so we're here. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little look around. Hope you enjoy. Nice space in the back.
Hey, you got a blade?
So yeah, we got a Miata. I got a Miata. So now we're gonna be seeing a lot of Miata content again on the channel. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Super hyped on this purchase. It's a really nice car. We're doing the tune-up on it right now because it wouldn't start. We drove it home. Wanted to go drive it the day after and it didn't turn on, so tune-up time. So we're doing the tune-up right now. We took the valve cover off. We're gonna put a new gasket on there. We're gonna put new spark plug wires and coils. Highly recommend to do maintenance when you buy a new car because you absolutely don't know what the hell the last person did. So we're gonna go ahead and set you guys up so you can see what we're doing. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tubbs here. Put you in time-lapse mode. We're here scraping this gasket off the car right now, off the head. Super dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain a little bit about this car. It's a 1996 Miata NA. So I just got this bad boy and the homies out here spooling on me, so I'm gonna go ahead and probably buy another motor, rebuild that motor, put turbo in it, potentially looking to push about 280 horsepower out of it, go to the track, rip it up a little bit. So stay tuned, it's gonna be pretty fire. Hope you guys are enjoying, and just wait, there's a lot of heat to come.
Just wanted to stop in and let you guys know these wheels, we will be cleaning them up and they will be going up for sale. So if you like the wheels and you want to purchase them, let us know. We'll have a really good deal on them. So we decided to go with the NGK iridiums, you know, spark plugs for the Miata. We're gonna go ahead and put these in. Valve cover area is cleaned up. It had a lot of this on it, the yellow, and oh god, and yeah, put these in. We got a brand new OEM gasket right here, valve cover gasket. So we're gonna go ahead and put some NGK spark plugs, the gasket, and we're gonna do an oil change.
Alright guys, we put a new head gasket. We replaced everything with OEM because we want the Miata to function at full potential. And if you're doing the same thing at home, make sure to only buy manufacturer parts for your car. Now we're over here putting gasket seal maker on the corners. Feel me, we're doing that. So you get a tight seal on the gasket. Let it clean it up a little bit. Came over here, we put new spark plugs in.
I showed them already.
Oh, okay.
You know
cool.
what's up. I showed them what was.
But yeah, this car's gonna be busting pretty soon. Soon I'll be able to join my Creative Garage brothers out on the track. So stay tuned for that.
So we got new spark plug wires, new spark plugs. We also got the new coil pack. Everything back down. We need to tighten the head bolts in a certain sequence, and this bolt is stripped and this bolt right here is stripped. The old coil pack had a broken clip area, so it wouldn't clip, so the car really wouldn't get the spark and what it need to really run properly. So when we're done with this, after we do the oil change, when we're done with this, we'll start the car, show you guys the start, let you guys hear it run.
Alright, we got a nice tune-up on there, all manufactured parts, okay, only Mazda parts. If you want your car to run at full potential, only use the parts that come with the car. No Duralast, none of that booty stuff, alright? So it's looking good. We got a little bit of oil when we took the valve cover off, so that's why they're smoking, so just relax. It's not smoking because it's booty, but it's fire. I got the Ford over here, Big Sally. She charged it on my battery. It died. Real goofy shit. So we had to tune her up again.
Man, I'm proud of you, man. I don't know you came from that.
This is my first stick shift car, so I'm super stoked. Super nice car. I'm super happy on the soft top. It's pretty nice. Has no rips or nothing, so I'm super stoked on the car. Stay tuned. We got a lot more coming to it. Here, we need this. You ready? We rolling?
Hit that.
What's up, guys? We here. We fixed the car. You know how we roll. It starts every time.
Every time.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Yes.
It's fire. I like the investment.
So, if you haven't, go to Cre8tiveGarage.net and get your merch. We're looking good. We're looking good. Y'all see it. Like I said, the wheels, those will be up for sale pretty soon. We're gonna put some stockies on here because we don't like the way it looks right now. But the car's running great again, and we are happy. The team is happy. This is the third Miata to the group. I want you guys to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button.
Drop that like.
Comment below. Make sure to stay tuned. We coming back with some fire.
What's it looking
I
like?
know what you mean by the
Ooh.
window. Yeah, I know what you mean by this ain't top piano.
He said that someone that came to look at that did that shit too.
Yeah, the fucking guy dropped, like, it was bad, you know what I mean? Like, it was just the top, though. Dude, he, like, pulls the top and, like, pushes it down. I'm like, dude, whoa, 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 and then the window. Full. I mean, the top's fucked anyways, dude,
Yeah.
like, regardless, but...
Shit.
Right there.
I can't see it.
Right here.
But yeah, so it's like kind of coming out of here.
Yeah.
It looks like that's
Yeah.
the valve cover, right?
Yeah. Don't trip. Can you start it for me?
Yeah.
Okay. He's good.
Yeah, dude, if you need any
Trust me,
fucking
bro.
signature bullshit, dude, just fucking let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna just go inside.
Okay. Got that new. Ooh. Sick with it. Okay. Well, guys, just picked up a new Miata. We got another NB. What year is this?
99.
A 99. I have a 2000. We got the MB1s, both years. Emerald mica green, and it's looking good. So pretty excited. Pretty much from all I see with this car is that all it needs is a clutch, and she'll be good. It's looking good. It's pretty tight. So hope you guys are ready. We now have 4 Miatas on the team, so we're looking good, y'all. Hope you guys are excited. Be ready. You know what's going down. It's gonna happen. Okay.
You gotta take all the other shit off that's attached.
Yeah, all the plugins and whatnot.
We got another one. That's what it looks like in the 99 Emerald Mica MB1. Fire. Fresh. Interior clean. Yes indeed. So to get that soft top taken care of. Otherwise the car is flawless. Almost. So it's looking good. We're gonna be dope. We're gonna go ahead. It's the second Miata this week, so it's looking good, honestly. Hope you guys are excited. You ready?
Oh yeah, we're doing things.
We're doing things. All right, guys, this is gonna cut the video here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. And shout out to the team that does it best. You already know, and that's Creative Garage.